Hey y'all, so here we are on the homestead, giving you an update. All the updates is what I'm going to try to do. And let's see, what will we start with? How's Buddy doing? Well, we just came back from our walk, so here's how Buddy's doing. Buddy, there he is. Hey Buddy. Buddy, what's happening? What's happening, Buddy? So much. Well, and this is happening. We have company. They have been here, that's Phil. He has been here a week, a little over a week. And I just hooked up his water today. That was part of my morning chores. So there's that. And let's see, on the homestead. Well, all those solar panels. And turns out you gotta have good battery to go with it, you know what I mean? And so, now we do. Oh, look at there, y'all. See the greenhouse? There are things happening at the greenhouse. So, we'll see how this video goes. The last time I tried to use this camera, something happened with the video card and said it wasn't recording. So, we've done some work here and I'm going to tell you about the baby girl ducks after I tell you about the big old boys. I'll let you see how they're doing. I ordered 3 baby girl ducks in the mail, and they came, and it was an ordeal at the post office. And then, oopsies, hey boys. How you doing? So this is a new thing I just did. I'm having an issue with the honeybees again. So I thought maybe I'll put their food in the water. In a water bowl. So I waited for the honeybees to go away. They like it. It was cold when the baby girl ducks came, and I lost one, so to the cold. I thought they could keep each other warm enough. Now, they've gotten big enough that this is their daytime place. There they are. Sitting by the water, because that's what ducks do, apparently. And anyway, they're only staying out here during the day. Hey, girls! Oh. You little stinkers. Here you go. This is how I need to do it. Okay, there's Fred. Luxuriating. Oh, we haven't named this one because he won't let us near him. There's 6 of them. So here we are at the greenhouse. There's some shade cloths that are going to go on this wall here. And the other night, we had movie night because Bob has not officially wired it yet, but it's on its way to being wired. And we had lights, which we only put every other light bulb, which was absolutely plenty. We're able to be out of the wind. And we've had a few meals in here with Phil. And we have a fire pit that has been keeping us warm. And we've actually grilled on it. And then over here we have a wood stove that will be temporarily installed until we get more stuff done, and then eventually it'll be permanently installed. And this is my spider plant that I transplanted, and I'm hoping, so far so good, no animals have eaten it. And, cause see, we ain't got a door yet, and there's also cement to be poured. There's going to be water right here at this point. But here's my new tree that Bob bought me. It's a pine tree that grows in the desert, and it's supposed to stay green all the way from the bottom to the top and grow fast. So here's its temporary spot, and a friend gave us these pots for more, and until probably, I'm going to give it another year, because that pot is 3 times what it was, the one that it came in, and we can grow it all the way up to there before I got to transplant it. So that's its home for the moment. Here's the TV. So what we did, we brought my computer. We used a HDMI cable, hooked up my computer, sat it here, and then we watched a movie and stayed warm and stayed pretty warm and out of the wind, both things. So it's just a temporary setup. This is going to be like an outdoor patio area that we're hoping to like block off, fence in, keep the cows out, that kind of stuff. And here's that beautiful place I live. Sorry, I tried to keep my hand from shaking. Desert of Arizona. Nice place to be. Oh, so, what do we do with all this bedding when we're done with it? I make bargains. So here's one in the works. Here's the baby duck, girl duck bed. They put it in at night. So they spend the night inside. And, let's see. Yeah, I'll do that. Bob's been working too, helping get things done. Oh, y'all don't know, his truck broke right after mine. So his whole front end stuff had to be done. And that has just gotten done. And now my truck broke down over there. I think the engine, the short block, has been ordered, and so they're building it, and then they'll go get it and put it in. So anyway, but Bob's been grounded. But what was awesome was Phil showed up, and it was one of those trips into town, and Bob was like, I think something's wrong with my tire, and it turned out it was ball joint, I think. Anyway, So here's what I've been doing is repairing this. Bob took all the shade cloth off and put up the metal. And so I'm kind of reworking the little garden areas here to make it look better. And here, of course, is where the ducks, all their water that I pour out of their little pools, you see. It's right there. And then they've got like a little mucky place they like to play in. And then the extra drains off here. And I'm still working on it. I do a little every day. And what eventually will happen is there'll be a tree right there that will be fed by duck water. Oh, there's a engine hoist because we're going to need it for Bob to do the work. There's Bob. What you up to?
Batteries.
Always. Okay, I think this will work. So we're back inside because I need to sit down and not be out in the heat anymore. It's a very hot day today here in Dolan Springs in November, the middle of November. I just wanted to check in with y'all, say we're here, still making headway on the homestead. So thanks y'all for watching. That's your little update on what's happening on the homestead. We've got a lot of projects planned. One of them being a hot tub. As in a tub full of hot water. Heated by the sun. Because, you know, there's no other way to do that when you're in the desert. Hey, I'm curious, y'all. I'm getting ready to do some sewing. Do y'all want to see? Because, you know, I did those little projects. But would you like to see some other projects I'm getting ready to make? Because I've got bins of fabric and old clothing that people have passed on to me that need to be repurposed. And so I'm going to... So I'm going to be making a lot of things in the coming days. And if you're interested, I will try to make little videos to go along with them and keep you updated at the same time. So I hope y'all have a really good rest of the week, that you are blessed today, and that you are warm and well fed. I love y'all.